This short video is going to talk a little bit about how to turn in assignments. I meant to include that in the last video and then forgot, but this will just give you a quick glimpse on how to do this. So there's 3 ways to turn in assignments. Either a short writing in an assignment box like a reflection, a link to an assignment, or an attachment. Now, I'm going to assume that in other classes you've taken that many instructors have you turn in an attachment. In this class, I prefer not to have an attachment because these other ways I think are more efficient for you and more efficient for me once you learn them. So let me show you how those work. So I'm going to go back to iLearn here, and I'm going to change my status to a student so you can see what I'm talking about because it's easier to show you that way. So I'm just going to click over here on the assignment area and show you several different ways to turn in assignments. So there will be several assignments like this class survey where you simply do an assignment and then type the word done in the answer box. So you click on add submission, you click to online text here, and you just type the word done, and that saves changes. That tells me that you've done the assignment, and then I can give you a grade for completing that assignment. Sometimes there's other assignments that will have you do that because I know that it will be linked in your digital binder or things like that. So that's one type of, so that's just typing in a box. So sometimes you're typing in a box just to say done. Other times you're typing in a box for more of a reflection. And I'm going to go back to the one that I typed before. So like for this one, it said just write your reflection in the reflection area of your digital binder and then paste your answer here. So here's the answer. Again, I just copied and pasted some suggested words here and typed them in and then submitted. So those are 2 different ways of submitting some text. The second way is to submit a link. So let's see. The Who Am I activities will ask for you to submit a document. So first you'll always have assignment details and rubrics, and then you're going to write a paragraph about what you learned from doing this assignment, and then at the end of the writing, paste in a link to your Who Am I part of your digital binder. So to get to my digital binder, I'm going to have to go to my Google Drive. So let me show you this first. So I'm going to go down here to add submission, and the first thing you're going to do, and again, if you've typed this somewhere else, you just paste it in, but I'm just going to put here, type in reflection questions. There are some specific reflection questions I want you to answer regarding the Who Am I project. I'm just going to put answers are here. And then at the end of this, you're going to type the word link, and you're going to go to your Google Drive, and I'm going to go to where mine is, and I'm going to open up my digital binder. And on my digital binder is a link here to my Who Am I documents page. So I'm going to click on that to get to that. And so here's the whole Who Am I template. All the assignments are going to be listed down here, most likely. And this is the page that I want you to link to in the assignment areas. So I'm just going to highlight the URL there. I can do Control Copy or Apple Copy, or I can go to the Edit menu and do Copy, which I'm going to do Edit Copy, going back to the assignment area where it says link there, and then I'm going to do Edit Paste, and it pastes the link right in there. And that's, now if you want to get fancy, I'll just show you this other way to do this. If you want to get a little fancier, you could have the text here. Here is the link. You could actually highlight the text if you wanted and click on this little link button, and then you get this dialog box, and you could paste the link in there. And it's nice to have these open in a new window, and then you just create the link. So we've created the link here. If you want to change colors of the link to get really fancy, you could do that. So there are 2 different ways that you can put in a link. You just paste it in here just like I did, or if you want to highlight a text and paste it in there to make a link that way, that's fine. And then you click on Save Changes, which means that assignment is completed. So those are the two ways to turn in assignments. I'm going to assume that you know how to turn in assignments with an attachment, which if push comes to shove, that's the only way you want to do it, and you want to attach that as a Word document, that's fine too. But what I find is often those attachments are more challenging to open. So that's the reason for doing it this way. Once you give me the link to your digital binder, I always have access to all of your assignments, and I can go there and click on it, even if your link's not quite correct here. So anyway, so that's how you connect all these pieces. So in this short video, we talked about short writing in the assignment book box, typing in done or typing a short reflection, or linking to an assignment. And I just showed you how to do that. So those are the answers to those questions. And I hope that helps you in turning everything in. And I'll see you soon.